Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the intervention agency will continue to rely on its motivated workforce to improve on its service delivery to largely backward communities in Nigeria's Niger Delta region. Our correspondent reports that Dr. Ogbuku made the observation when the NDDC board members appeared before the Senate Committee on Niger Delta Development Commission recently in Abuja.
One of the salient questions the Senator Asuko Ekpeyong-led Senate Committee on Niger Delta Development Commission posed to members of the NDDC board during an interactive session recently in Abuja was how the intervention agency hoped to improve on its service delivery. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, who had the privilege of serving on the previous board, was mandated to speak on the challenges and prospects of the commission. Dr. Ogbuku identified delayed release of funds as a major factor militating against efficient service delivery by the commission, but noted that significant efforts had been made to transform its operations. The NDDC boss informed the senators that his first assignment when he assumed office in January this year was to right-size the NDDC directorate in compliance with the act establishing the commission.
Most senior directors should rather head the various directorates rather than a situation whereby junior directors were heading directorates while their seniors watch. Felt it was very, very necessary to streamline the administration of NDDC and put things in proper perspective.
It will be recalled that the NDDC compelled some 13 directors to proceed on retirement in August this year, in compliance with the new civil service rule, which mandates public servants to retire after serving in the capacity of directors for 8 years. This paved the way for new directors, deputy directors, and assistant directors to emerge in the system. In the month of September, the Human Resources Department of the NDDC, in collaboration with the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria, organized a 2-week management and leadership training course for all directing staff of the commission to enhance their performance on the job. In the last 6 months, managers and other mid-level officers in the NDDC have also benefited from training and retraining to boost their efficiency at work. The NDDC Managing Director was pleased to inform members of the nation's apex lawmaking body that under his leadership, the NDDC management had promoted staff for the first time in 3 years.
Staff had not done promotion for over 3 years, and staff were just stagnated. Their promotion was not moving. We came in, I approved promotion for staff. They've done their promotion exams, and today all of them are being promoted.
For their part, some members of staff say they have benefited immensely from several capacity building workshops organized by the NDDC.
It helps us to know how to define, when we are doing our memos, we define concepts based on the context of the environment we work.
We will see a new NDDC that we can be proud of, a new NDDC that people will be proud of as well, delivering our mandate.
When recently the NDDC marked 23 years of its existence as an intervention agency, many had hailed the commission for making its presence felt across 9 states comprising the Niger Delta region, while others scored its performance below average. As the NDDC Managing Director rightly observes, a well-motivated workforce is one of the greatest assets at the Commission's disposal to reinvent itself for improved service delivery.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,